There is one nutrient which is controlling 3000 genes in your body, and chances are you are actually deficient in it. If you're working out regularly, if you're eating right, but still struggling to lose weight, maybe this is the reason. I'm talking about vitamin D. Most people think vitamin D is just for the bones. But here's the truth. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin. It's a hormone, a powerful one. Your vitamin D levels decide whether the calories you eat turn into fat or muscle. It plays a huge role in how your body handles insulin, builds muscle, stores or burns fat, and even protects against diabetes and heart disease. Vitamin D is a master regulator. It helps with muscle repair and growth, energy metabolism and fat storage, hormonal balance, including insulin and testosterone. That is why, even if your diet and workouts are perfect, but you're having low vitamin D levels, you're storing more fat and you're having less muscle. Here's how your body wants you when vitamin D is low: constant fatigue, falling sick often, bone or back pain, slow muscle recovery, mood swings or even mild depression, and of course, weight gain in spite of you eating clean. Now, here is the beautiful part. Even Ayurveda mentions this long before science confirmed it. It just doesn't call it vitamin D. But the wisdom is clear. Surya, the sun, is a source of life. That is why Surya Namaskar was done at sunrise. Not just for flexibility, but to absorb prana, the life force. Rasayana Tantra talks about Bhaskara Rasayana, herbal formulations that support vitality, bone strength, and immunity. In Siddha tradition also, early morning sun is advised for bone strength, clear skin, and balancing Vayu. Very similar to today's understanding of hormonal and metabolic health. Here are two things that you can do daily. One, get 15 to 30 minutes of morning sunlight. Arms and legs exposed. Please, no sunscreens there. Move while soaking in the sun. A brisk walk or Surya Namaskar is ideal. 2. Eat foods rich in vitamin D. Egg yolks, fish, mushrooms, ghee are rich in vitamin D. Two things to avoid: processed food and junk food, because they interfere with how vitamin D works in your body at a cellular level. If your vitamin D levels are too low, please talk to a healthcare expert and supplement wisely. So next time you're wondering why you're not losing fat, don't just count calories, count your sunlight. Because your vitamin D might be quietly choosing fat over muscle. Choose the sun, choose good health, choose common sense advice for lasting transformations.